Joining us from our Denver bureau, Mimi Wesson, a law professor at the University of Colorado in Boulder. And also from Denver, Daniel Recht, a criminal defense attorney and the immediate past president of the Colorado Criminal Defense Bar. Let us begin at the end of the trial with the closing arguments. In particular, people seem to be focusing on Michael Tiger's emotional conclusion when he walked over to Terry Nichols, put his hand on his shoulder and said, "This is my brother." And to the jury, he said, "He is in your hands." Ms. Wesson, your thoughts? Was that working?
You know, I'm probably just a cynical old ex-prosecutor, but I didn't find that moment as moving as many people did. He had preceded that moment by telling an anecdote, Michael Tiger, about how 30 years ago he'd gone to Washington, D.C. for the first time. And he said the first public building that he saw there was the Supreme Court building with its inscription, "Equal Justice Before Law." And old cynic that I am, I found myself thinking, really? Like, he closed his eyes as he was driven through the town and just opened them when he saw the Supreme Court building? So while I was still thinking that probably unworthy and cynical thought, he walked over behind his client, put his hands on his shoulders and said, "This man is my brother." I wasn't as taken with that moment as many others were.
So a little over the top. Mr. Recht, what did you think of closing arguments?
Well, let's stick with that very topic. I thought it, frankly, was very effective. And I particularly if you accept that many of these jurors trusted Michael Tiger. They looked to him as the person that was giving the answers in the courtroom. And then